Good morning to one and all, and welcome to Interhouse Goenkan Quiz 2024-25. Dear all, please join me in welcoming the members of our management team, coordinator, assistant coordinator, as they enter in the auditorium, led by the splendid sounds of our school band. A school band is about to come. Okay, can you hear the splendid sound of a school band? Okay, so let's all welcome our school band with huge round of applause. Here they come.
Clap must go on.
Can we hear louder for them? Come on, children. We welcome the members of our management team, coordinator, as they enter the auditorium. Let us take a moment to appreciate the incredible talent and hard work of our school band. Can we hear it for them, children?
The school band is vital for students as they develop their musical talents, encourages teamwork and collaboration, and teaches discipline through regular practice.
What a wonderful performance. Thank you, dear children. The students were Shreya Soni, Krishiv Tulsian, Shivansh Maheshwari, Rudra Desai, Vedika Patel, Devang Agrawal, Ansh Gandhi, Prabir Agrawal, Amayra Chaparia, Shaurya Jalan, Dhairya Balani, Tanishka Chaudhary.
Palaksh Patel, Kian Satani, Radhan Bhanawala, Vedant Padia, Vedika Kanodia, Riyansh Soni, Kabir Saluja, Riyansh Gupta, Radhan Joycer, Naisha Lahoti, Prisha Agarwal, Navya Pamnani, Amaira Goyal, Naksh Jain, Anaya Patel. Quiz competitions are like battles of wits, where knowledge is the weapon and speed is the armor. Good morning, one and all present here. I, Miss Sakshi Dugar,
And I, Miss Minakshi Thanvi.
are the hosts and the quiz masters for the day. It's our pleasure to welcome our Director Principal, Ms. Jayashree Choraria, our Coordinator, Ms. Shilpa Surya, our Assistant Coordinator, Ms. Sanya Sheikh, beloved parents, our finalists, and our dear students to Interhouse Goenkan Quiz Competition 2024-25. Light is a pretty universal symbol of truth, knowledge, and understanding. It acts as a guide, keeping us from stumbling in dark.
As in the tradition, lighting of a lamp marks a beginning towards a blissful day. We request Vishal sir and our dear students to invigorate in us the sense of thankfulness by reciting a shloka. The students are Anaya Patel, Ananya Sihora, Prisha Agrawal, Jaisha Jain, and Arshia Singh.
We invite our members of top management, our coordinator, assistant coordinator to kindly come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony.
I request everyone to rise up for the prayer. Kindly join your hands and close your eyes.
सरस्वती महाभागे वेदे कमललोचने विश्वरूपे विशालाक्षे वेद्यां देहि नमोऽस्तुते
Thank you, everyone. You may now take your seats. If you ask me how I want to be remembered, it is as a winner. You know what a winner is? A winner is somebody who has given his best effort, who has tried and never gave up. So let's come together to set higher thoughts for brighter results.
We have Ms. Sakshi Chugh, Ms. Monica Thakur as the scorekeepers, Ms. Ashi Verma and Ms. Mukta Kadmawala to guide the students on the stage, and Ms. Molly Jariwala on the console.
The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential, the never give up attitude are some of the qualities our finalists have. So please put your hands together as we welcome our finalists.
Let's all clap for our team, the first team, Legendary Liberty. We have Priyanshi Mehta from first A, Viraj Gidwani from second C, Ridan Vakharia from third A, Divyam Bhutra from fourth D in the team. Let's all give them a big round of applause.
Show your love and affection for Team Unbeatable Unity. We have Kanak Gujrani from first A, Ridan Saraf from second C, Ridan Paswala from third D, and Darsh Uttam Uttam Chandani from fourth A. Can we hear it from them?
Please give a big hand for the team Incredible Infinity. The team members are RB Jain from first A, Rudra Chaudhary from second B, Peher Malik from third B, Tavish Jain from fourth B. The clap must go on.
Let's hear it for our fourth team, Impactful Integrity. The team members are Kiara Jain from first B, Anj Drolia from second C, Umang Satani from third D, and Vivan Agarwal from fourth D. Can we hear it for them, children? Okay, we know that all of you are so excited and curious for the competition. But hold your heartbeat and let's have a look at the rules. I request everyone to listen carefully and follow the rules as mentioned. Okay, the rules are: quiz consists of 4 rounds. Participants need to answer the question as per the rounds. In case of multiple answers received from a team, the first answer will be considered as the final answer. The maximum points received by a team at the end will be declared as the winning team. Are the rules clear, participants?
Important note, if a question is asked from grade 1, the first grader will only answer. In case of chorus answers received, the question will be disqualified and there's going to be no marks for that. We appreciate your enthusiasm, but please refrain from making noise during the quiz. Before starting, let's have a sneak peek to the quiz rounds. As mentioned before, this quiz consists of 4 rounds. The first round is memory round. Second round is sound wave round. Third one is picker wheel round. And the fourth one is double trouble. So wish you all the luck, children.
Okay, children, are you ready to test your knowledge?
Yes?
All the participants, are you ready to test your knowledge?
Yes.
Audience, are you ready? Shall we start? Okay.
To start off, let's dive into the memory round, where our teams will put their thinking caps on and showcase their knowledge. Let's see the rules. Rules for this round are: it is a multiple choice question round based on your observation. Correct answer will be awarded 10 points. The order of the teams would be Legendary Liberty, unbeatable unity, incredible infinity, and impactful integrity. The first answer will be considered as the final answer. For your better understanding, we have kept introductory questions for each round. So, can we have the first introductory question?
And children, for giving every answer, you will get 30 seconds. For your observation, also 30 seconds. And to give the answer, also within 30 seconds, you have to give the answer. Is this rule clear to everyone?
This is an introductory question. There is no marks for this. Look at the picture carefully. And the time starts now. You get 30 seconds to observe the picture carefully. It's all about observation. Ten seconds left. Okay, time is up. Now the question is, how many numbers were shown in the picture? Your options are A 5, B 4, C 3, D 6. And your time starts now.
Any group can answer
Any
this.
group can answer. Okay, we have an answer. C3. We got the answer C3. Can we have the right answer, please? Uh-oh, you tried so well, but the correct answer is 4. No worries, this was just an introductory question. Let's start with the very first question. This question is for Liberty House. Observe the picture carefully.
Check.
Liberty House, this is for you and your time starts now. Observe all the pictures given very carefully. Ten seconds left. Time's up. Now, the question is, can you see this picture?
It was
on
behind
the
number.
top right corner, right hand side corner. You have to tell that this picture is behind which number. You have the answer? 3. Okay, we got the answer 3. Can we see the correct answer, please? Oh, you were
Wow.
absolutely correct.
It's the
Let's-
correct answer. Well done. So this team has got 10 points.
Now we move towards the next question. This question is for Unbeatable Unity Grade 1. Okay? So let's see the picture. Are you
Audience,
ready?
please maintain silence.
Observe the picture carefully. See all the pictures given on the screen. And your time starts. 20 seconds. Time is up. And the question is, see the picture given on the top right corner. Below which number? Oh, we are getting answers from the audience. We request to please be silent.
Audience,
Okay, we got the answer first. Can we have the right answer, please? You are correct.
Unbeatable Unity, you also got 10 points. Well done.
Next question is for Incredible Infinity for grade 1.
It's a humble request to all the students here. Please do not prompt any answers. We have to be fair, right? Yes?
Let's have the question. Observe the picture carefully. Look all the pictures very nicely. The clock is ticking. Five seconds left. And the time is up. Do we have the answer? You have 30 seconds to answer. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. This picture is below which number?
Number 4.
Number 4. We got the answer number 4. Can we have the right answer, please? Oh, correct. Absolutely correct. You are answering it so well. Let's give them a big round of applause, children. Next question is for Impactful Integrity Grade 1. Let's have the picture. Observe the picture carefully. And your time starts now. Ten seconds left. Time is up. You have 30 seconds to think. Do we have the answer? This picture is below which- 6. We got the answer 6. Can we have the right answer, please? Absolutely correct.
Well done, all the teams. All of you have got 10 points. Now it's time for grade 2 children. Grade 2 children, can you wave to the audience? Participants, grade 2, can you wave to the audience? There, audience. Okay, so this question is for all grade 2 children, all right? The first question is for Legendary Liberty. Are you ready, grade 2? Okay, so can we have the question? Look at the picture carefully. For your observation, you'll get only 30 seconds. Ten seconds left. Time up. Can we have the question? Which animal was shown in the picture? Your options are option A, goat.
No answers
option
from
B,
the audience, please.
lion. Option C, sheep. Option D, hen. And your time starts now.
Sheep.
Sheep is the answer which we have got. Can we see the answer? Sheep is the correct answer. You got 10 points. Well done. Audience, can we hear it for them? Well done. Okay, moving on to Unbeatable Unity House. Grade 2, are you ready? Okay, so the question is, look at the picture carefully. Your time starts now. Audience, please maintain silence. Time is up. Can we have the question? In this list of animals, one is missing. Can you tell me which animal is missing? The options are already there. And for giving the answer, the time starts now.
A. Camel.
Oh, we already got the answer. What is your answer? Can you please repeat?
A.
Option A, camel. Can we see? Option A is the correct answer. Well done. Unbeatable Unity House. Well done. You got 10 points. Okay, moving to incredible Infinity House. Okay, can we have the question? Look at the picture carefully. And your time starts now.
Audience, can we please maintain silence?
Ten seconds left. Time up. Can we have the question? What will be the car's parking spot number? Your options are option A 150, option B 170, option C 190, option D 140. To give the answer, you'll get 30 seconds and your time starts now.
D. 1.
D, we already got the answer. Okay, D is the answer which we have received. Can we see the correct answer? D is the correct answer. Well done. You got 10 points. Moving to last but not the least, Impactful Integrity House, grade 2. Can we see the question? I am a missing part. Can you tell me which part comes right before the leaves? Okay, the options are already there. To give the answer, you'll get 30 seconds. And the time starts now.
B. B.
B is the answer which we have received. Can we see the correct answer? B is the correct answer. Well done. You got 10 points.
Are you all enjoying? Yes, that's great. Now it's time for grade 3, Legendary Liberty. Can we have the first question, please? Look at the picture carefully, and your time starts now. Ten seconds left. Time is up. The question is, how many paper clips were there? Option A, 3. Option B, 4. Option C, 5. Option D, 6. You have 30 seconds to think. I repeat the question, how many paper clips were there? Option...
B.
Sorry?
B.
B for ball. Okay, we got the answer B, 4. Can we have the right answer, please? Oh, that was correct. Let's hear it louder for them. Amazing. Next question we have for Unbeatable Unity Grade 3. Let's have the picture. Are you ready? Look at the picture carefully. Your time starts now. Audience, can we have silence, please? Thank you. Ten seconds left. And the time is up. Let's see what is the question. What was the color of the pair of scissors? Your options are A, pink, B, blue, C, green, D, yellow. You get 30 seconds to think.
A pink.
A, pink. We got the answer real quick. Let's see what's the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Unbeatable unity.
You got 10
That-
points.
You got 10 points. That's all. Clap for the team. Next question we have for Incredible Infinity Grade 3. Let's see what is the picture. Look at the picture carefully. Look at all the objects. And the clock has started ticking. Five seconds. Time's up. Let's see what is the question. Which picture was not there from the following? A, B, C, D. The options are given on the screen.
Option D.
Option D. We got the option D. Let's see the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Incredible. Infinity. You're really doing incredible job. Next question we have for Impactful Integrity Grade 3. Let's see what's next. Oh, look at the picture carefully. No answers, no noise from the audience. Your clock has started. Observe the picture carefully, children. I can still hear some noise from the audience. Ten seconds. And the time is up. Question is, what is the color of the fourth ring from the left in the Olympics logo? Your options are A, blue, B, red, C, green, D, black.
C green.
C, green. We got the answer C, green. Can we have the right answer? In impactful integrity. Great. Really wonderful.
Okay, all the teams are doing so well. Now it is time for grade 4 participants to answer. Okay, grade 4 participants, ready? Okay, can we have the question? Okay, the first question is for Liberty House. Look at the picture carefully, and your time starts now. Time up. Can we have the question? Which colors were there around white? Your options are option A, blue and purple, option B, yellow and black, option C, green and red, and option D, red and green. And to give the answer, you'll get 30 seconds. The time starts now.
B yellow and black.
B, yellow and black is the answer given by team. Let's see what is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Well done. You got 10 points. Okay, moving on to Unbeatable Unity House. Grade 4. Can we have the question? Look at the picture carefully and your time starts now. Look at all the signs carefully. Time up. Can we have the question? Which was the seventh sign? The options are there on the screen. And to answer, you'll get 30 seconds. The time starts now.
A.
A is the answer which we have got. Can we see what is the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Well done. You got 10 points. All right, moving on to Incredible Infinity House. Grade 4. Can we have the question? Look
Audience,
at the
can we have
picture
silence?
carefully. And your time starts now. Audience, please maintain silence. Ten seconds left.
No whispering the answers, please.
Time up. Can we have the question? How many triangles are there in the given figure? Option A, 4. Option B, 2. Option 3. Option C, 3. And option D, 5. To answer, you'll get 30 seconds. And the time starts now.
C3.
Can we stop the timer? We have got the answer. Yes.
C3.
C3 is the correct answer. Well done. You got 10 points. Okay, moving on to the next team. Impactful Integrity House, grade 4. Can we have the question? Look at the picture carefully and your time starts now. Observe carefully. Time up. Can we have the question? What is the slogan of the Olympics 2024? For this, you will not get the options, okay? You have to say what is the slogan of the Olympics 2024. The time starts now.
Games wide open.
Games wide open is the answer which we have received. Is the correct answer. Well
Wonderful.
done. You got 10 points.
Now, at the end of the first round, I would request our scorekeepers to update us with the scoreboard.
Okay. After the completion of first round, that is memory round, Liberty has scored 40 points, Unity has scored 40 points, Infinity has scored 40 points, and Integrity also scored 40 points.
Wow, that's
Wow.
wonderful.
Sakshi ma'am, what a tough competition.
It's going to be really tough, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, moving towards second round of the quiz, the sound wave round. And here are the rules. Listen very carefully. Okay, now before we start the rules also, as this round is sound wave round, so it is very, very important for you to be silent, right?
Okay, so second round rules are each grade from each team will get one chance. A correct answer will earn the team 10 points. The questions will be either audio or visual. Listen to or observe the audio or visual carefully. Teams must answer the question within 30 seconds. The order of participation will be as follows: legendary liberty, unbeatable unity, incredible infinity, and impactful integrity.
So can we have the introductory question? Which is the current Olympic logo? You have 4 options, A, B, C, D.
Any team can answer, okay? And the time starts now.
D.
Oh. You have to raise your hand and then answer. Okay.
Anyone can answer, yes?
D.
D is the answer which you are giving. Can we see the correct answer? D is the correct answer. Okay, understood? Are the rules clear to everyone? Shall we start?
Let's start with the legendary Liberty team, grade 1. Let's have the question. This is a visual based round. Guess the body part. Look at the objects given and you have to guess the body part. And your time starts now.
Tongue.
Oh, we already got the answer. You're really quick. What is your answer? Can you please repeat?
Tongue.
Tongue. Can we? Oh,
Tongue
that's
is the correct answer. Well done.
Well done.
You got 10 points.
Now, second question for unbeatable unity, grade 1. Let's have the question. Again, it's a visual based question. Guess the food. Look at the objects and the pictures given and guess the food. Your time has started. Okay, audience, can we have the silence, please?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. We already got the answer, popcorn. Can we have the right answer, ma'am? Popcorn is absolutely correct.
Well done, unbeatable Unity House. You got 10 points.
Next question is for Incredible Infinity, grade 1. Let's see what is the question. You have to guess the food. Look at the objects given and guess the food. Your time starts now. Five seconds. Time is up. You have 30 seconds to think and answer.
The time is up. We are so sorry. Okay, the time is up. Can we have the correct answer? Pizza is the correct
Pizza
answer.
was the correct answer.
Never mind. We'll move to the next team.
Next team, next question is for Impactful Integrity, grade 1. Let's have the picture. Guess the food. Again, it's a food. Guess the food. Your time starts now. Audience, can we maintain silence? Only 10 seconds left.
Sandwich.
Sandwich, we got the answer, sandwich. Can we have the right answer, please? Sandwich is absolutely correct answer. Great.
Well done. Grade 1. Can we hear it for them? Come on, audience. All right, now it is time for grade 2 students to answer. Ready? Can we have the question? The first question is for Legendary Liberty House grade 2. Can we have the question? Identify the trees. Your options are A. Banyan trees, B. Ashoka trees, C. Neem trees, and D. Mangrove trees. You have to identify the name of the tree. And your time start.
Neem tree.
C is the answer which we have got. Neem tree. Can we see the correct answer? Oh, I'm afraid it's incorrect. The correct answer is Ashoka trees. Okay, moving to the next team, Unbeatable Unity House, grade 2. Can we have the question? Identify the animal sound. Now, for this audience, you have to be quiet because they have to listen, right? Can we have the music? Can we have the sound?
No answering from the from the audience, please.
Wolf.
Wolf is the correct answer which we have got. And it is correct. Well done. You got 10 points. All right. Moving to the next house. Incredible Infinity grade 2. Ready? Okay. Can we have the question? Identify the shooter who have been honored with a bronze medal in the 2024 Paris Olympics. Your options are A. Avinash Sable, option B. Tarundeep Rai, option C. Neeraj Chopra, option D. Swapnil Khosale. And your time starts now.
D. Swapnil Kusal.
D is the answer which we have got, Swapnil Khosale. Can we see the correct answer? It is correct. Well done. 10 points. Let's move to the next team. Impactful Integrity grade 2. Can we have the question, please? This is the traditional dress of which Indian state? Your options are option A, West Bengal, option B, Orissa, option C, Jammu and Kashmir, option D, Rajasthan. And your time starts now.
Audience at the back, please maintain
This is the
silence.
traditional dress of which Indian state? Come on, give it a try.
West Bengal.
West Bengal, option A is the answer which we have received. Can we see the correct answer? Oh, I'm sorry, the correct answer is Jammu and
It's okay.
Kashmir.
Audience,
Never
can
mind.
we have silence? Next round, next is for grade 3, Legendary Liberty. Next question is for Legendary Liberty grade 3. Let's have the first question. This is an audio-based question. Identify the traditional dance form. Let's have the audio. Okay.
Audience are enjoying.
Okay, let's have the option. You have to identify the traditional dance form. And the options are A. Lavani, B. Garba, C. Bihu, D. Bhangra. And your time starts. 25 seconds.
A. Lavani.
A. Lavani is the answer we got. Let's see what is the correct answer. That's wonderful. It is Lavani. That was a wonderful music, right?
Well
Great.
done. You got 10 points.
Next question is for Unbeatable Unity Grade 3. Let's see what is the question. What is the number of triangles used in the image? The image is given and your options are A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. And your time starts now. What is the number of triangles used in the image?
B1.
B1 is the answer we got. Let's see what is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. You are truly unbeatable. Next question is for Incredible Infinity Grade 3. Let's see what is the question. Again, this is an audio-based question. Can we have the silence, children? Listen to the audio carefully. Can we have the audio?
A boy named Sam went to the park with his dog Max. They played fetch, then visited the ice cream truck where Sam bought a chocolate cone. Afterwards, they went home.
This was the clip. Let's have the options. And the question, what is the dog's name? What was the dog's name in the audio clip? A. Max, B. Sam, C. Chocolate, D. Ice.
A Max.
A. Max is the answer we got. Let's see what is the correct answer. You are absolutely correct. Before moving towards the next question, I want our audience to be silent, to be in discipline. Next question is for Impactful Integrity Grade 3. Let's see what is the question. Oh, observe the image. There are multiples of which number? And your time starts now.
7.
7 is the answer we got from the team. Can we have the right answer, please? 7 is absolutely correct. Impactful Integrity got again 10 points.
Okay. All of you are doing great. All right, now it's time for our grade 4 children to answer. Can we have the question for our first team, which is Legendary Liberty Grade 4? Can we have the question? This is a visual-based question. This movie is based on the real life of which Indian mathematics educator? Can we have the clip, please?
ब्रिलियंट टीचर है, ये पढ़ाएंगे आज से आप लोगों को। इन्होंने पढ़ा दिया तो आप वीआईपी लोगों की वीआईपी एंट्री हो गई आईटी में।
Okay, now it is time for the question. Can we have the question? This movie is based on the real life of which Indian mathematics educator? There will be no options. You have to say the answer. And the time has already started.
Ramanujan.
Ramanujan is the answer which we have got. Can we see the correct answer? I'm afraid the answer is incorrect. The correct answer is Anand Kumar. Okay, we'll move to the next team, Unbeatable Unity. Can we have the question? Unbeatable Unity, grade 4, it is your chance to answer. Can we have the question, please? It is again visual round based question. This flower grows from a seed, bear flowers, produce seeds, and then die at the end of the growing season. Identify the flower. Unbeatable Unity, grade 4. The time starts now. Identify the flower. Only grade 4 is supposed to answer. Come on, 10 seconds left. Give it a try. Come on.
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus is the answer which we have got. Can we see the correct answer? Oh, I'm sorry. The correct answer is Dahlia is the correct answer. Moving to the next team. Incredible Infinity Grade 4.
Audience at the back.
Audience, can we please maintain silence? Can we have the question, please? These athletes clinched medals for India at the Paris Olympics in 2024. In which sport did they achieve these feats? You have to see the athletes, and the time starts now.
Shooting.
Shooting is the answer which we have got. So quick. Okay, can we see the correct answer? Shooting is the correct answer. Well done. You got 10 points. Okay, now moving to the next team, Impactful Integrity House, Grade 4. Can we have the question? Observe the video shown and answer the question. Your question is, identify the flower and the country of which it is the national flower. And the time starts now.
Lily of the Valley, Finland.
Can you please repeat your answer?
This flower is the capital of Finland.
Finland is the answer which we have got. National flower of Finland. Can we see the correct answer? I'm afraid the correct answer is Jasmine, Pakistan.
Now, at the end of the second round, I would request the scorekeepers to update us with the scoreboard.
After completion of second round, that is sound wave, Liberty has scored 20 points and the overall score is 60. Unity has scored 30 points in round 2 and the overall score is 70. Infinity has scored 30 points in round 2 and overall score is 70. And Integrity has scored 20 points in round 2 and the overall score is 60.
Okay, well done all the team. Can we hear it for them, children? They are doing so well. Okay, moving on to the third round. This is going to be fun and your fingers will be crossed as the picker wheel spins. It picks random questions for you to answer. So let's get started. The rules for round 3 are: each team will receive 2 questions. Options will be provided for every question. Correct answer will be awarded by 10 points. Teams must answer the question within 30 seconds. The order of teams would be Legendary Liberty, Unbeatable Unity, Incredible Infinity, and Impactful Integrity. Children, ready for round 3? All the best.
Let's have the introductory question first. This is the spinning wheel. Let's start the wheel. Let's spin the wheel first. And we selected question 6. Let's see what is the question for us.
Six is the number which we have got. Now we are going to see which question is there on number 6.
The question is, what new event in athletics will be included in the Paris Olympics 2024? And the options are mixed relay, B, men's 60-meter dash, C, women's 50-kilometer walk, D, women's pole vault. And the time starts now.
D.
Any group can answer.
D. Okay, we got the answer. D. Let's see what is the correct answer. Uh-oh, the answer was mixed relay. You tried really well. Well, this was the introductory question. Let's start with the very first team, Legendary Liberty. Let's spin the wheel for them. Yes, anybody can answer from the team.
From Liberty House.
From
anybody can
Liberty
answer.
House, anybody can answer.
Okay, here is the wheel. Can we spin the wheel? Audience, are you enjoying the quiz competition?
Let's spin the wheel for Legendary Liberty House. Sixth question. That's
Okay,
already done, so we'll spin the wheel once again.
Yes. We are going to spin the wheel
One
again.
again. And let's see which number we got this time. Number 4. Question number 4. 4 is going to be a lucky number for you. Let's see what is the question. The question is, what do the 5 rings on the Olympics flag represent? Your options are A, 5 rivers of the world, option B, 5 continents of the world, option C, 5 oceans, option D, 5 games. And your time starts now. You can discuss amongst yourself.
D.
What is your answer? Can you please repeat?
D is the answer which we have
5
received.
games.
5 games.
Let's see the correct answer. D answer we got from the team. Let's see the correct answer. Uh-oh, the correct answer is B, 5 continents of the world. You tried really well.
Okay.
Next question.
Sakshi ma'am, can we just, all the participants, when you are saying the answer, I request you to please say the full answer. Don't just say A and B, C, D. Say the full answer, okay? Got it?
And you are a team, you can discuss among yourself, right? Next question is for unbeatable unity. Let's spin the wheel for unbeatable unity. Okay, the wheel is spinning. Let's see which number we will get. We got the number 3. Third question. Let's see what is the question. The question for unbeatable unity is, what is the official motto of the Olympics? Options are A, unity in diversity. Option B, winning is everything. Option C, faster, higher, stronger. Option D, friendship and respect. Your time starts now.
Audience, please
Option
maintain
C,
silence.
faster, higher, stronger.
We got the answer faster, option C, faster, higher, stronger from the team. Let's see what is the correct answer. Oh, wow, you are absolutely correct. Unbeatable unity got 10 points. Next question is for incredible infinity. Let's spin the wheel for them. Incredible Infinity. Are you ready? Great. So here we spin the wheel for you. And eighth number. We will get question number 8. Let's see what is the question for Incredible Infinity. How many sports will be included in 2024 Summer Olympics? Your options are A 25, B 42, C 35, D 33. And your time starts now. How
D.
many?
33.
Can you please repeat?
D 33.
D33 is the answer we got from the team. Let's see what is the correct answer. You are absolutely correct. Incredible Infinity is doing incredible job. Let's move towards impactful integrity. Let's spin the wheel for them. Are you ready, team? Great. Let's spin the wheel for you. You got number 7. Seventh question you will get. Let's see what is the question for you. Look at the screen very carefully. What comes next in the sequence 15, 30, 45, 60? And your options are A70.
A75.
Without options, you are ready with your answer. We got the answer A75. Let's see what is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. They don't need any timer also.
Wow, that's
amazing.
incredible. Very nice.
Now, second round of this round. Again, we are going to Legendary Liberty. Let's spin the wheel for Legendary Liberty once again. Are you ready, team? So, here the wheel spins and you got number 9. Number 9. Let's see what is the question. What religion is mostly shown in the Ajanta caves? A. Islam, B. Christianity, D. Hinduism, and C. Buddhism. Your time starts now. What religion is mostly shown in the Ajanta caves? You can discuss with your team members. You still have 15 seconds left. Only 5 seconds. Yes?
A Islam.
A. Islam. We got the answer from the team. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is Buddhism. You tried really well, but the answer is Buddhism. Let's move towards the next team, Unbeatable Unity. Let's spin the wheel for Unbeatable Unity. Audience, can we have silence, please? Children, are you enjoying this wheel round? Picker wheel round? Yes, even we are.
So please maintain silence.
For
The participants really need to focus. So please maintain silence, children.
This is for Unbeatable Unity. Let's spin the wheel for them. And this is the question number 10. We have selected question number 10. Let's see what is the question. Listen to the question very carefully, also the options, right? So the question is, which continent does not have any countries participating in the Olympics? A. Antarctica, B. Europe, C. Africa, D. Asia. Which continent does not have any?
A. Antarctica.
A. Antarctica is the answer we got from the team. Without timer, they got the answer. And the correct answer is Antarctica. That's absolutely correct.
Well done, Unbeatable Unity House. You got 10 points. Well done.
Let's move towards the next team, that is Incredible Infinity. Let's spin the wheel for them. Incredible Infinity. And we chose, it's very dicey. Yes, question number 1. Let's see. What is the question for us? What shape is the base of the Qutub Minar? Your options are A. Circle, B. Square, C. Triangle, D. Rectangle, and your time starts now. What is the shape of the base of the Qutub Minar? Discuss with your team members.
A. Circle.
A. Circle is the answer we got from the team. Let's see what is the correct answer. Yes, incredible job again. Let's all hear it for Incredible Infinity.
You got
Great.
10 points. Well done.
Let's move towards impactful integrity. Are you ready, team? Let's spin the wheel for them. Impactful integrity. Here the wheel spins and we get the question number 5. Great. Let's see what is the question for the team Impactful Integrity. Your question is, in the game of chess, which piece can move in an L shape? Your options are A. Rook, B. Bishop, C. Knight, D. Queen. In the game of chess, very interesting game.
C.
Okay, we got the answer C. Knight. Let's see. Absolutely correct, impactful integrity. Great.
Wow, Sakshi ma'am, they are doing such a wonderful job. Well done, all the teams. Now it is time for the scores. I request the scorekeepers to update us with the scores.
Okay, now after the completion of third round, that is pick a wheel, Unity has scored, in the third round, Unity has scored 20 points and the overall is 90. Infinity has scored 20 points after the completion of third round and the total score is 90. Integrity has scored 20 points in round 3 and the overall total is 80, whereas Liberty has scored none, so and the total is 60.
Okay, give it up for our team's audience. They are doing so well. Now, it is time for the fourth and the final round. Heading to the final round of the quiz, it is Double Trouble. Now, what is Double Trouble? So, Double Trouble means that before that, let's have the rules for Double Trouble. Can we have the rules? Okay, for this round, the rules are, there will be 4 questions in this round. Team pressing the buzzer first will be given chance to answer the question in 30 seconds. Team will be awarded double marks for every correct answer and double marks will be deducted for incorrect answer. That means if you are giving correct answer, you will get 20 points. But if the answer is incorrect, 20 marks will be deducted. Is this rule clear to everyone?
You have to be very careful. But ma'am, what are the buzzers?
Sakshi ma'am, we are complete smart premium school. So we are going to skip the traditional way to use buzzer. Instead, we have digital buzzer. Each team is going to get one iPad which has buzzer digital code in it. We have Binita ma'am who is going to help and guide our team members. Binita ma'am, are we good to go?
Yes, all ready? Okay, so team members, listen. You will have to just click on the blue buzz button. Okay? Here, this team has to click on the orange buzz button. The team who click the buzz button first will get the chance to give the answer. Am I clear? Any doubt? Any team, any doubt? Yeah, in the introductory question, we will check it once. Before that, we will once more check it, okay? On the count of 3, all the teams will be clicking the buzzer on the count of 3. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so Legendary Liberty was the first one to click the buzzer. Then Unbeatable Unity was the second one. Third one was the Impactful Integrity. And the fourth one was Incredible Infinity. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Any team? All good? Okay, so let's have the introductory question first.
Can we have the introductory question? Okay, the question is, where were the first modern Olympics games held? Your options are A, Paris, France. Oh, we already got the buzzers.
Okay, okay.
Second option is Athens, Greece. C, London, England. D, Beijing, China.
Okay, you have to press the buzzer when I say, not now.
B.
Okay, not now,
Athens,
not
Greece.
now, not now, not now. You have to press the buzzer when I say, okay? Again. Okay, on the count of 3, 2, 1. Yes, so Legendary Liberty was the first one to press the buzzer. Can we get the answers from Legendary Liberty?
B. Athens.
Your answer is A, B, Athens, Greece. Can we have the correct answer, please? Yes, it was the correct answer. But as it was the introductory question, there are no marks for it. Let's go with the very first question for Legendary Liberty. The question is, what is the name of the character of Paris Olympics?
On the count of 3, only you will press the buzzer. Please, children.
Let me say the options first. Your options are A, Miraitova, B, Snowflake, C, Frisch's, D, Athena.
I didn't give the counting.
Again,
Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. So first one was Incredible Infinity to press the buzzer.
May I tell the answer?
Yeah, you can tell the answer.
C. Phryges.
option C you have chosen. Let's see what is the correct answer. You are absolutely correct. Incredible Infinity is doing the incredible job.
And you got 20 points.
You got 20
because
points.
This is double trouble round.
Next question. Can we have the next question, please? Next question is, arrange the vehicles in the order of increasing order of size. A, truck. B, auto. C, cycle. D, ship. Your options are A, B, C, D. Option B, B, D, C, A. Option C, CBAD. Option D, CBDA. And your time starts now.
On the count of 3, 2, 1. Yes, unbeatable unity was the one to press the buzzer.
They get the chance to answer. Unbeatable unity, you can say your answer.
D. CBDA.
CBDA. Option D is the answer we got from the team. Let's see what is the correct answer. Oh, you tried really well, but the correct answer is option C, CBAD. Let's move towards the next question. Question 3. Audience, can we have silence, please? Thank you. Question 3 is, a number 71 is taken and an operation is performed on it. The result obtained is 0. What operation might have been performed on the number taken? Your options are A, the number is subtracted from itself. Option B, the number is multiplied by 0. Option C, the number is added with 5. And option D, both option A and B, and your time starts now.
Okay, so Legendary Liberty was the one to press the buzzer first.
Legendary Liberty.
Counting. Okay, on the count of, children please
On the
don't
count
press
of
the
three.
buzzer. Yes, on the count of 3, 2, 1. Unbeatable unity was the one to press the buzzer.
Unbeatable unity, get the chance. Option B, the number is multiplied
by
0. Okay. Option B is the answer we got from the team. Can we have the right answer, please? Option D is the correct answer. You tried really well, but the option D is correct answer.
From the stage itself? Okay. So I will tell you how the buzzer works. From here, everyone on the count of 3 presses the buzzer. So I get here the timing also who pressed the buzzer afterwards. The later timings I get. So for example, on the count of 3, the children are going to press the buzzer. Okay? So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here Unbeatable Unity was the one to press the buzzer first, and then after. Okay, on the phone. Okay, so here I get it Unbeatable Unity on the first list, and second, after 315 milliseconds, it is Impactful Integrity. And then after 325 milliseconds, it is Legendary Liberty. And then after 5 seconds, it is Incredible Infinity. That is how I get the sequence. Who is pressing the buzzer first? So,
Let's move
Continue.
towards the next question. Can we have the next question, please? This is the last question for the round. So listen to the question very carefully. I want everybody's attention. Yes. Question is, what term describes the practice of cultivating plants for food? Option A, horticulture. Option B, botany. Option C, agriculture. Option D, silviculture. And your time starts now.
on the count of, wait.
On the count of three.
of 3, 2, 1. Legendary Liberty was the first one to press the buzzer.
Legendary Liberty.
C. Agriculture.
C, agriculture is the answer we got from the team. Let's see what is the correct answer. You are absolutely correct.
You got 20
You got 20
points.
points.
Well done. Before the announcement of result, I would request our Director Principal, Ma'am, Ms. Jayashree Choraria, to share a few words with us.
A very good morning to all the children present here. Good morning. Sit down. Good morning, parents. It's so nice to see you all here. This is something which is giving them lot of confidence, lot of exposure, and how their gross and motor skills are working, how their memory is, how much retention they can, how much alert they are. And first of all, my congratulations to all the participants here, whether you win or lose. And when I was looking at them, if one particular team is answering, other were also very happy for that. This is innocence, which we lose as we grow. If somebody is winning, we have jealousy, which my children don't have. Let's clap for them. If Liberty was answering, unity, integrity, infinity, everybody was happy. They were doing yes. Least bothered that whether he or she or I will come first or second, which we inculcate as we grow up. As far as this buzzer round was concerned, this point 1, 2, 3 was given to them because they are children after all. Some of them don't even read because they are excited to press on the buzzer before reading the question or understanding the question. This is the reason it was told, listen to the question, give point 1, 2, 3, and then you press, because they have the time to think and then really press on the buzzer. And this pressing on the buzzer, we have come a little ahead where you don't see the light, but the quiz master has it in her app that this particular team has put on the buzzer first. So big congratulations to all the teams here, all the parents who have been a part of their child's educational journey and the learning which is happening in a very playful way. All my children out there, just look at them, how excited they are for their friends, for themselves. And my teachers, my coordinator, everyone who worked for this particular quiz, making slides, how they should be making the children think, remember, and then be critical on their learning abilities. So thank you so much and wish all the best. And whoever is the winner, we congratulate you. But who has come here, you all are winners. To be on the stage with 300 people, to look at them, it's also an achievement. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now the results are here. But Sakshi ma'am, the competition was so tough that we have a tiebreaker between Legendary Liberty House and Impactful Integrity House. So we'll have a tiebreaker question for both these teams. Okay? Legendary Liberty House and Impactful Integrity House, there is a tie. So let's have a tiebreaker question for which you have to press the buzzer on the count of 3. Okay? Can we have the tiebreaker question?
And the question is, if moon is called star, star is called earth, and earth is called moon, then human beings live on option A, earth. You have to wait for the options. Option A, earth. Option B, sun. Option C, moon. Option D, star. Now wait for the counts.
Wait for the count before you press the buzzer. Ready? On the count of 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Liberty.
Legendary Liberty gets the chance.
D star.
D star is the answer we got from the team. Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is moon. You tried really well, but the correct answer is moon. So you are getting, like 20 marks are deducted. Now we have the finalists and we have the winning team also. I would request Jayashree ma'am and Shilpa ma'am. Okay, Shilpa ma'am to be on the stage and announce the results.
Excited? The score is pretty clear, right? Who do you think is at the third position? Integrity? No. It's the legendary Liberty at the third position with score 60. At the fourth position, we have Unbeatable Unity with 50 marks. At the second position, it's the Impactful Integrity with 80. And the winner team, Incredible Infinity with 110 points. Congratulations to each one of you, all those who made it to the stage. Congratulations. I would request all of them to please come forward. We'll have a team picture. I would request Incredible Infinity to please come forward. First, we'll have the picture with Incredible Infinity. Come back. I request the proud parents to please come on the stage. And the class teachers as well. The proud parents and the class teachers are requested to please come on stage.
Children, please give them a huge round of applause to our champions of Inter-House Goenkan Quiz 2024-25. A big congratulations to the proud parents as well. Claps must go on for our champions. Can I request all the participants and the parents to join us on the stage? I request all the parents to please join us for a group photo and all the participants as well. Come on, children, give it up for the team.